Greetings from the Sunshine State. It's been a while since I did a cloud pour, and since today is a cloudy day, I thought I'd try one. But instead of using my regular DecoArt satin enamels, I decided to try this that I found at Michael's. And since I had a coupon, I thought I'd give it a try. It's the DecoArt Your Home, and it says it's an all-in-one enamel, eggshell finish. So I just wanted to see if this would work like the other satin enamels. So I substituted the regular satin enamel for Your Home. So it's 1 part Your Home, 1 part Vallejo medium, and 2 parts Floetrol. And then my paints are mixed with Floetrol. Depending on the consistency of the paint, it's 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. But I like to use a thick consistency for my cloud pours. This one's a little thicker than the others, but hopefully it'll work. So we shall see what happens. you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. This lighter green was thicker than the other colors, and it made an interesting effect. Looks like it's 3D, looks like it's sitting on top of the other layers. But I definitely got some cloud effects with this enamel paint, eggshell enamel paint. So I like how it turned out. Let me know what you think. And that's it for today. Enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.